Look, if you've ever had to manage an application, you know that feeling of just drowning in log files. It's this massive sea of text, and you know the answers you need are in there somewhere, but finding them, it feels almost impossible. Well, today, we're going to pull back the curtain and demystify the ELK Stack, a seriously powerful set of tools designed to turn all that log chaos into crystal clear insight.
All right, here's our game plan. First, we're going to really feel the pain of dealing with raw, chaotic logs. Then we'll introduce the hero of our story, the ELK stack itself. After that, we'll follow a single log on its incredible journey from a simple line of text to actual intelligence. We'll make sure our system is tough enough for the real world, and then finally, we'll see the magic of visualization, how all this data gets turned into real decisions. So what's the core problem we're trying to solve here? It's pretty simple, actually. Your application is constantly trying to tell you its story through its logs, but that story is just getting completely buried in all the noise.
This quote from D-Zone just nails it. When something breaks, when there's an incident, you are in a race against the clock. But if your logs are scattered across different servers, getting deleted, or are basically unsearchable, finding the root cause turns into this massive, expensive headache.
Think about it. A single server can spit out thousands of these log lines every minute. Now, multiply that by dozens of microservices. What you end up with is a giant wall of unstructured text. Trying to connect an error from your payment service with a warning from your user service, it's not just like finding a needle in a haystack. It's like finding a needle in a haystack that's on fire. So how on earth do we fix this mess? Well, that brings us to the ELK Stack. It was built from the ground up to bring structure and order to exactly this kind of chaos. In a nutshell, the ELK Stack is this awesome suite of open source tools that work together to create a powerful data pipeline. The whole point is to pull all of your logs into one central place, making them searchable, analyzable, and visualizable in pretty much real time. Now, here's where it gets really cool, because each piece of the stack has a perfectly defined job. It all starts with beats. Think of them as your efficient courier service. They're these lightweight agents just collecting data from your servers. They ship that data over to Logstash, which is our data refinery. It takes the raw logs, cleans them up, and gives them structure. That structured data then gets sent to Elasticsearch, which is like a massive, hyper-organized library that indexes everything for lightning-fast searches. And finally, you've got Kibana. That's your interactive command center, where you get to explore and visualize all that beautifully organized data. Okay, so we have all these different parts, but how do they actually play together? The best way to really get it is to follow a single log entry on its journey, tracing its path from just a raw line of text to a piece of truly actionable intelligence.
So here's that journey, broken down into 4 steps. It kicks off with collection, where FileBeat just grabs a raw, meaningless line of text. Then comes processing. Logstash is the star here. It's like a universal translator, turning that mess into clean, structured JSON, giving it context and meaning. Elasticsearch then handles the indexing, making that structured data instantly searchable. And finally, you get the visualization, where Kibana lets you actually ask questions of your data and see the answers come to life. Now, setting up a basic ELK stack is a fantastic start, but taking it into a live, high-stakes production environment, well, that's a whole different ballgame. We have to start thinking about things like resilience, security, and scale. This brings us to a super critical question. I mean, just imagine, it's Black Friday, your traffic goes through the roof, and suddenly your whole logging system just falls over. Without a safety net, you could lose the very logs you need to figure out what's going wrong during your absolute busiest time. You'd be flying blind. The solution, as highlighted in places like the Obstago blog, is to add a buffer. It's kind of like a shock absorber for your data. You've got 2 main options here. For a really big, scalable system, you can use something like Apache Kafka. It acts as a message queue, holding onto data and feeding it to your pipeline at a pace it can handle. Or for a simpler setup, you can just use a temporary file system to hold data that can't be processed right away. And look, beyond just keeping the data flowing, you absolutely have to keep it safe. In production, security is non-negotiable, especially since logs can sometimes contain really sensitive user data. This means locking down access, encrypting everything, and, this is a big one, using Logstash to filter or mask personal information before it ever gets stored. So, we've collected the data, we've structured it, and we've secured it. Now we get to the really exciting part, turning all of that hard work into actual, tangible value. So, after all that setup, what's the ultimate payoff? What can you do now that you simply couldn't do when you were just staring at 1,000 different app.log files? Well, right away, you get proactive, intelligent monitoring. As sources like Elastic's own documentation show, the stack can come with pre-configured rules that alert you to real problems, things like high CPU usage, low disk space, or a cluster that's in trouble. This means you find out about issues from a quiet little alert, not from an angry customer. That's a huge win. And here it is, the ultimate payoff, the moment where data becomes wisdom. With Kibana, you move beyond just searching for errors and you start building custom interactive dashboards that tell a story. Now you can track error rates over time, see which parts of your app are the slowest, or even correlate login failures with specific locations. You're no longer just collecting logs, you're interpreting the story of your application.
Ultimately, that's what the ELK Stack really gives you, the ability to listen. Your applications are constantly telling you a story about your system's health, about your user's experience. The stack provides the tools. The only question left is, what are you going to learn when you finally start listening?